What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. Here's all my social media. Make sure you follow me on all these social media platforms. Also, if you want to be able to follow my boy that's helping me do this work, his Instagram is somewhere in this video, so you have to watch it to the end. So I'm proud to announce that we hit 1,000 subscribers, and also I'm proud to announce I just purchased 2 more properties, so that puts me at 13 properties sold. Tell me what YouTuber doing that. So make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and make sure you follow me on this journey. So I got the ductwork ran. I got 3 heat runs to run, and also I'm gonna be running. This is a wall here for the other side of the basement on that side, so I'm gonna be running over there. I got a 4-burner, 80%er. So I'm just making my connections now, guys. Yeah, we do it all. Well, I do it all, so that's how we get it. Then on top of that, you got to protect your investment. So I'm going to be doing something different, guys. I'm actually going to be bolting this furnace to the floor. So if they want to take this furnace up out of here, they're going to have to work. On top of that, get a text message as soon as it's motion down here. So it's all good. And I actually ran it to where, you know, I ain't gonna tell y'all that part. Maybe it might be an exclusive video. I'll tell y'all what's going on with that. But I'm gonna tell you something else. But yeah, so I'm thinking the furnace should be in before this week is out, before the next couple of days. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. I already ran. I did a dry fit on my gas lines here. Ran it down. So I just gotta take this cap off and connect it there and go from there. And excuse me. And also, I'm gonna let you guys know what happened with the water lines. Alrighty, take it easy. Man, team, it's grind season. That's all I got to tell you. It's just grind season. Ooh, boy. Can you say that drywall is up? Can you say that? There's light on. Quit playing. That drywall up there. Quit playing. Got a couple more spaces to go. We just gotta get that there. Let's go. Let's go. Excuse me. This is next in here. So I'm here doing dry fitting, trying to figure out how I'm going to run the ductwork. So it's just me, but I'm getting it in, going hard. This was a long, hard process for sure. What's going on, guys? From burger fries and shakes to building houses. Yeah, so I just got done doing majority of my furnace work because you know our water lines froze. So been down here. I've been over here since 7 o'clock, and now it's like 1 something. So I got that one done. I got this line going over here for because I got another side of the basement that needs heat, so ran over that way. And then I got this line here. It's gonna go to the living room. This line here is feeding the dining room and bedroom, and this particular one is gonna feed the kitchen and bathroom. Yep, so I ended up getting a new furnace, and it looks good. What you got there, Cal? Oh, you done built that boy done built a plank, walked the plank on him one time. Got it nice and toasty out here. Oh yeah, nice and toasty. Yeah, you see it. Getting this light mudding in. Trying to be like you when I grow up. I think it was hanging up over there.
Oh yeah.
It's hanging up. Yeah. Means Mr. Davis in here going hard. Getting all the drywall. This look like a whole new place. Oh yeah. Look at that. And we hit that 1,000 subscriber, boy. We ain't playing no games. Look at that. He just got done doing the ceiling. Ain't about to get all that smoothed out. This is cold. Can you imagine? Almost a year ago, it took us a long time to get here. A long time. You can look in the earlier videos when we were gutting this boy out. We just simply just gutting this out. Ebook dropping soon. Calvin got an ebook coming. It's getting real, guys. Better jump on this wave before we not accessible.